Out of all the bikes I own, my Razor's by far my favorite. But there's one problem. I'm literally never riding this thing. But today that all changes because I'm bringing it outside of the garage finally, where I'm going to be ripping it downtown on the pavement. We're not alone. We're actually with my boy Matthew, and we're heading straight downtown to start off this video before the Razor actually breaks down and I have to push him all the way home. Anyway, Rise and Supply is dropping t-shirts tomorrow, so let's go.
Always do it better. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever.
We outside.
Dude, these pegs are literally freaking tiny.
I know, they're so low and tiny. Okay, I'll show you some work on this. Oh. Just riding around with this kid. This is literally like a last minute video. It's literally Friday night. We're supposed to be uploading tomorrow morning. I hope this gets out. But Matthew, what's happening on Sunday? Yeah! Rise and Supply is dropping on Sunday. Are you hyped? Yeah, he's hyped. I guess. Oh yeah, we got that. That thing is so loud. I need new suspension. One of the main important things that I needed from the upgrading my Razor was definitely getting new suspension. And that would be way better on just jumps and off-road. And then also just being able to switch to dirt tires. There might be cop right there. Sometimes they camp down there. Yeah, we can go left. Rolling too fast. Peak power wheelie. I don't have enough volts right now. I'm low battery, so cannot wheelie. This kid, let's see a wheelie! Oh my god, is that Hector Buendia? If I had a front brake, that would be premium stoppy spot. Okay, where's we heading? Should we go into the neighborhood over there?
Sure.
And this is literally Cop Central right here, so I'll go in front. We're gonna have to cross over after this white car. Yeah, go. Never been riding in this neighborhood, so hopefully it's not rolled.
Oh yeah, all the cops are always over there.
Yeah, I know, they just sit right there. Okay, we're gonna jump up here, head into this neighborhood. I don't have my goggles, and like the helmet feels so much lighter. My goggles don't even feel that heavy, so like this right here, that's like so weird. Bike is absolutely the lowest bike I have to the ground, so it feels so different. Like when I'm on the Ricksock, I'm just like straight up like that. Weirdo. Yo, why is there a stop sign right here? In memory of our crossing guard, Ed Westcott. At this point, bro, what are we doing? This video is literally supposed to go up tomorrow. Like, what am I doing, bro? I should be editing right now. Death wobble. An option. We can get back the faster way, which is down there, or we can go back there. The only reason with this is we're going over the big street, and I don't know if there's gonna be cops.
And there goes the chain.
Yo, that did not sound right. That's my chain.
How did that happen?
That's my chain, bro. Okay, put your peg in front. Okay, we're good. Okay, we out. Now just control it. We're going 10. I'll try to pick up our speed. That's where it's at. Towards the middle. Okay, we don't want to hit these cans, so like 2, 1, towards the middle. Okay, I'm gonna, yes.
See that stance I got on this jog?
Okay, turn towards the middle.
Oh, the house is on that. Oh.
I'll turn with you. Yes, Matthew. Gotta slowly add speed to you. Just keep trying to stay a little bit towards the middle. Okay, we're gonna slowly turn, gradually turn towards me so we don't hit the cars. Okay, good. I don't know how we're gonna cross. We're gonna have to perfectly time. Okay, I'm gonna slow down. Yes! Oh my god! Top 10 pools of life! This is max speed. And I'm coming towards the middle. Yes, this is where we at. This is where it's at, Matthew. Okay, I'm heading bike lane. Turn in, turn in. Okay, we're gonna have to clutch up on this turn. That white line. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, ready? Okay, we're gonna split these two poles. Okay, slightly turn in.
That shoot's close.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yo, this is low-key been a fire ride. Okay, slowly turn. Yes. Keep your momentum to the rest.
Oh, my freaking hip hurts. Oh, we got it.
You go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Three, 2, 1. We're gonna try to get this guy home. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the vid. I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, okay. Yo, Matthew, you're supposed to say peace.
Mile up in my shoe, you don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could try and steal my swag, but I'ma always do it better. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever. I'ma speak the truth, I ain't gonna